Hello developers! Welcome to the future. Today, we are diving deep into my video. You need to watch this full video to believe it. Let's create something amazing.
Master statistics in Python for AI. Import NumPy and SciPy to analyze data. Build powerful machine learning models. Python's built-in statistics module, introduced in version 3.4, is a lightweight tool for data analysis and pre-processing. It features methods for central tendency. The mean calculates the standard average, but is sensitive to outliers. Mode finds the most common value, while harmonic mean tracks row or high for even datasets. Dispersion measures how scattered data is relative to the average. For samples, use variance and stdev to account for bias. For complete populations, PEV divide cleanly by n. The statistics module has zero dependencies. It works directly with standard Python lists and tuples, mathematical accuracy. High precision native pre-installed with Python.
Unlock Python's built-in statistics module, the secret weapon for AI engineers. Master averages, handle outliers, and calculate variance. Level up your data science skills. Want to stay ahead in AI? Then join our WhatsApp channel today, because we stay updated with latest tech. Just click the link below. Want to master the future? Then you need to hit subscribe right now, because we bring you the best AI content, so please like and share this video.